Hi, I'm Orion. Yeah, I'm topless. But one of the issues that I've had is that on a morning I just cannot wake up. And so I bought a sunrise alarm clock. And so I'm gonna show you my experience over a week because I am an insomniac and and clearly physical products are the only way I can save myself. And I may not be tipsy in this intro. Oops. Anyways. Okay, so it is like 15 minutes early, and this is unbearable to look at in person. So, yeah. I'm a little bit hungover, so. Yeah. But I feel awake, I guess. And the alarm hasn't properly gone off yet, so I see that as a win. Hi, I'm Orion. Yeah, I'm very tired. So what I forgot to tell you was that yesterday was my birthday. And so obviously one got a bit hydrated last night. And today I have felt all of the consequences of that. Yeah. And I didn't get enough sleep, so I felt dreadful all day. So, yeah. Not the best of days, I can't lie. But these things happen, and it is what it is. I've been Orion signing out. Alright, so I'm heading into day 2. I'm tired, so I should have a good sleep and I should wake up well rested, hopefully. So I'll see ya tomorrow, I guess. I feel fucking dreadful. I could not sleep, so I think I'm gonna go back to bed. Fuck this. Okay, so I feel like I should probably explain. The funny thing is, the other day I went back to bed, but it turned out that I actually needed to be at uni, and I went back to bed. But anyway, I am getting back into using sunrise alarm clock, and yeah, another night. What are we on? Day 2, day 3? I don't know anymore. I'll have to actually look at the footage. See you tomorrow morning. Right, the alarm's just going off. I don't feel the most well rested, but the wake up was nice. Okay, so it is the end of this first week with the sunrise clock. I've used it for, well, I used it a little bit before, but now I've sort of realised, now that I've gotten used to it and I'm not staying up excessively late, I'm feeling like, it's helped me to get up and I don't feel as crappy, which is awesome. Even though the sun ends up kind of rising at the same time my alarm goes off. Yeah, feels good. I've been Orion signing out.